everyone. We are from Sri Jignasa Memorial Degree College, NARAYANPET from Department of Chemistry. Today we are here to explain about Student Study Project 2024 to 25. Our title is Chromatography Techniques, Analytical Method Development and Validations. This project will continue by myself from Bhavitapriya from BZC first year, Sania Sultana, Butulu Zohara, Samira Begum, Ajay Kumar and Prabhavati, and a prior guidance of Jignasa. I am here to explain about introduction about chromatography techniques. It is derived from the Greek language chromato represents color and graph, and it represents writing or recording. Using chromatography, we can separate the components of mixture dissolved in substance called mobile phase and carried out by another substance called stationary phase. It is generally used for chemical, biochemical and pharmaceutical analysis, isolation and purification. Next, continued by Sania Sultana. Myself Sania Sultana from MDC third year. Now I am explaining about principle of chromatography. It is a method of physical separation in which components of mixture get separated on two phases. One is the stationary phase, immobile porous phase. The mobile liquid moves over the stationary phase under gravity. Sample is separated while it is moving through stationary phase due to desorption and absorption process. For the separation, several key factors are responsible: liquid-liquid partition and a liquid-solid absorption. While sample is moving through, SP components of the molecules are physically interacted with weak chemical bonds like dipole-dipole interaction and adhere to the stationary components. Next, different types of chromatography techniques based on kinds of stationary and mobile phase. Chromatography techniques are different types. These are absorption chromatography, partition chromatography, column chromatography, paper chromatography, and high performance liquid chromatography and gas chromatography. Paper chromatography. In this chromatography, stationary phase and mobile phase molecules act based on the degree of interaction. Molecules which are having a high affinity are absorbed for a long time, where movement of speed is decreased. During the separation of molecules, RF retention factor is determined. RF equals to affinity chromatography. A garros or cellulose is loaded in a column as a solid. The mixture of mobile phase is placed at a constant rate. The ligand molecules complex is formed during the process and rest of the components are emitted out with the mobile phase. Next, continue with Butulu Zohara.
Myself Butulu Zohara and I am from MPC BSc final year. High performance liquid chromatography HPLC. It is used for the separation and purification and identification of chemicals. Main principle involved in the HPLC is adsorption. In the mobile phase is liquid, stationary phase is column which is consist of porous material. Symbol which has to be analyzed move through the column along with the mobile phase by higher pressure delivered by pump. Simply components moves through the stationary phase based on their affinity. Components having more affinity towards stationary phase moves slowly. Components having less affinity towards stationary phase moves faster. Due to this components separation takes place. Commonly used solvent HPLC are methanol, water, anhexane and chloroforms, etc. Instrumentations: high performance liquid chromatography by HPLC, solvent pump, injection, HPLC passing the solvent, detectors separating the waste solvent and showing the graph by PC for data. Next, continued with Samira.
My name is Samira Begum from BSc MPC third year. Solvent reservoir with mixing system and degassing system. It is used for mobile phase. Generally used solvent reservoir is glass bottle used for straw of solvent which are used for mobile phase. High pressure pump. The pump role is to force a liquid to give specific flow rate. It is expressed in millimeter per minute. Normal flow rate is 1 to millimeter. Minimum pressure range of pump is 6000 to 9000 psi. Sample injector. Sample injector is used to introduce the liquid sample into mobile phase and it is able to inject the sample into continuous flowing mobile phase stream that carries the sample into the HPLC column. Injector are two types: manual injector and atomic. Column is made up of stainless steel and it is 5 to 25 cm long, 2 into 4.6 diameter. It is placed where actual separation of components take place. Detector. It is used to detect individual components, elute from the column and convert the data into an electrical signal. These are two types of specific detectors. And bug property detector. Data recording system. It is the computer linked display. It records the series of peaks and area under the peak can be calculated. Continued by Ajay.
My name is Ajay. Analytical method development. It is the activity of the selecting and the accurate as a procedure to find out composition of the formulation. It is a process which is used to prove that is suitable for use in laboratory. Analytical method should be developed according to International Council harmonization. requires for the analytical method development and its uses, calibration and the qualified instrument, qualified and analyst documents methods. Uses of analytical method development are for new process and the reactions for new molecule development. There are various steps involved in the analytical method development. Characterization of standard analyst, literature survey, selection of the method soon. Validation. The word validation means evolution of the validity or the act of the providing effectives. It is the teamwork of the people from different branches of plants. Method validation is the process of the establishing document evidence that provides a high level of guarantee that is a product or equipment will meet the requirement of the desired analytical applications. Validation is the prime part. CGMP. Validation importance to assurance of the quality, to minimizing of the bunch failure, to reduce the rejections, to improve the efficiency and the productivity, to increase the output, to reduce the testing in the process and the finished products. Next will be convert the okay.
Myself Prabhat from PG30. Analytical method validation parameters. Accuracy. Accuracy is defined as the closeness of the test result to the true value. Precision. Precision is defined as the measurement of closeness of agreement for multiple measures on the same sample. Linearity, limit of detection, robustness, range, specificity, limit of quantification. Next, conclusion. This review provides the idea about chromatography technique, high performance liquid chromatography, analytical method development, requisite for analytical method development, steps involved in analytical method development, importance of analytical method validation, and various types of validation parameters as per International Council and Harmonization. Next, bibliography. L. Lakshminarayan, N. Sharma, and A. Vishwas, Kimchi MP. A review on chromatography techniques. ACM Journal of Pharmaceutical Research and Development, 2017-1-8. Chawla G. Chaudhary KK. A review on HPLC technique covering its pharmaceutical, environmental, forensic, clinical, and other applications. Hint J. from Kim Anna, 2019, 16-2, 27-39. Thank you.